Hi everyone, welcome back in the series of Spring Boot with MySQL. In this video, we will explore what we are building throughout this course. We'll start developing level 2 REST API, then we'll upgrade it to level 3. Let's talk about the architecture first. A typical application has 3 layers, which are the first layer is the database layer where we store or persist the data which we are using in the application. So this is the database layer and here we are using MySQL for that. Then the second layer that we have is the backend layer, which will take care of all the operation on the data which is present in the database. So the backend application will contain all the business logic which is required for our application to work. Our REST API will fall in this layer and we will use Spring Boot for that. So the third layer that we have is the front end layer or the UI layer. The responsibility of this layer is to present the data or the application in the browser in some cool format. So for that we usually create one more application. It can be in Angular, Vue or any other UI technology. We will explore these technologies in upcoming videos or upcoming courses on UI frameworks like Angular, React and Vue. So in this course we will focus on the backend layer and the database layer and we'll use version 8 of Java. So let's talk about the application now. So in this course we will develop an application similar to YouTube just to manage the videos. So let's talk about the components that we have in this application. So the first component is the category. It will define the category of the channel, for example, technology, education, music, etc. Then the second component that we have is the channel. For example, we have Python Academy as a channel. Then the third component is the playlists, where we can create playlists like REST API playlist or Spring Boot playlist or Angular playlist. Then the fourth component is the video, which will represent a specific video, just like this one. So let's understand the schema or the models of this application. In this application, we have multiple components and our one component will be depend on another. So we develop the components in a certain order. We'll start with the category, then we'll move to channel, then we'll move to video, and in the last we will build playlist. So let's talk about the schema of the models. The category will have integer ID, string name, boolean active, and string description. So the second component that we have is the channel. It will have integer ID, string name, string about, and category. This will be the first component that we will build in this application. Then we will build video. It will contain integer ID, string title, boolean active, string URL of that video, and the channel. Channel will be the second component that we have built in this application. So the last component that we have in this course is the playlist. It will contain integer ID, string name, boolean active, channel that we have created earlier, and the list of videos that we have created earlier as well. And for storing the videos, we will use YouTube for that. So let's get started.